We are Team Flipflops, and we have built a solution for drone delivery route planning under the theme Technology and COVID-19. Last mile delivery is one of the most costly and time consuming piece for the e-commerce segment. Let's have a look at the platform that we've built. This is the dashboard page where we can set the drone parameters that we will be using, since our algorithm takes into account parameters such as battery capacity, weight, and payload capacity. Also, here we can set the warehouse location. Next up is the profile page, basically which will have the warehouse details. Next up is the orders page, where we will retrieve all the orders in the database that are to be dispatched and their details. Finally, the most important of them all is the simulation page. Here, the central icon represents the warehouse location for a particular region, and the red ones are the orders that are to be dispatched that were retrieved from the database. Once we click on calculate routes, our algorithm does the magic in the backend. And meanwhile, let's have a look at the explanation of the algorithm.
We have used artificial intelligence by implementing a genetic algorithm, wherein multi-objective optimization is performed subject to payload capacity and battery constraints. The two objectives considered are first, minimizing the total number of drones used, and second, minimizing the battery cost due to travel distance and payload. Initially, a population, that is, random set of valid solutions is generated. The fitness value of each of these individuals is calculated. We then apply NSGA2 algorithm where only non-dominated individuals are selected and offsprings are generated using crossover and mutation. Further, elitism is performed to retain only the best performing individuals in the population. This is carried out for a several number of generations, after which we get our near optimal solution.
Uh, let's look at the calculations that our algorithm has done. So here we can see that the algorithm has calculated five different routes and that are represented in five different colors that a particular drone will cover in its journey. And this is the most optimal path and will have the least cost overall. Um, this is all about our application. This is Team Flipflops consisting of Diplesh, Shraddha, Vishwesh, and Yash from NIT Nagpur. Thank you.